Hello everyone, this is Ruth the Surgicals from Mumbai, India. Today we are going to show hysteroscopic PCNL Bipronge forceps G handle. These are hysteroscopic PCNL forceps 40 cm and 60 cm. These instruments are made by stainless steel material and are reusable and autoclavable. In PCNL Bipronge 40 cm, available sizes are 3FR, 4FR, and 5FR. In 60 cm Bipronge, available sizes are 3FR, 4FR, and 5FR. The hysteroscopic PCNL Bipronge forceps is an instrument designed to grip, manipulate or remove objects during gynecological and urological surgeries. For more detail, contact us. Thank you.